How to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Facebook video no sound problem. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now make sure to log in and sign in to your particular account on Facebook. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen to access the menu section. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy option and choose Settings to access the settings page. Scroll down and under the Preferences section, select Media. Scroll down and then select the option of Videos Start with Sound. Make sure that this option button is toggled on. If the button is toggled off, there will be the issue of Facebook video sound not hearing. So remember to toggle the button on. After doing this, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not resolved, you need to update Facebook application for once. So open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, and you have to search for Facebook. If there is update button, tap the update button and update it to the latest version, and once restart your device. So simple trick can easily resolve Facebook video no sound problem. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.